Right, anyway, hey guys, this is a redo, because I got a bit mad. Right, anyway, wait, stabbed me, one, yeah, that's what I thought. Anyway, got a bit of food this time, so I'm locked in and loaded. You're going to hear a lot of messages like this one. 3, 2, 1, now. Alright, come on. But yeah, last game, I wasn't the one, I didn't get mad last game, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I think. Or 5. Something like that. Like, it added me because I a bit hot. So it added me because I started trash talking. Alright, guys, so come on then! Oh, I've just killed myself, really. I did not mean to do this. Yep. As you heard, I'm the best player in this game. Gonna take this. Gonna heal. Right. Yeah, I'm the best player to ever touch this game. Yep, so like you heard that message, but, I mean, you're gonna hear voice notes now.
Louis? My throat is acting up. I don't know what the fuck is up. If I have one more voice crack, I'm gonna throw myself.
Alright, well, I didn't hear a voice crack, so shut your mouth. So yeah, we're gonna be hearing that.
Like, some sub-teachers, they say Eloise. Elu? Who the fuck is Elu? It's Eloise. Eloise. Not Eloise or Eloise.
What the hell is an Eloise?
Some of them... Oh.
But anyway, hey guys. Someone's in here. No. Let's run. For by myself! Alright, shouldn't reset. Mate, I took my hand off my keyboard for a second. And that's what happens. Oh, it's hot. My food is hot.
And some people spell my name like this. Wait.
Ooh.
Like, what is that ugly shit? You're not even listening to what I'm sending you, so you won't understand.
Alright. Oh. Alright. This is why you always hand me a sniper. I'm actually a bit scared.
I've literally forgotten everything about you. I've forgotten what you sound like, and I forgot what you look like, and I've forgotten your name, and I forgot everything.
That's crazy, they forgot my name when it's bloody dead.
So to me, you're just some random Indian guy.
Alright, we're not coming there again. Watch this. See that guy right there dead? Kill himself.
I'm going through my camera roll whilst that's what I'm kind of just like, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Oh, they're actually doing it. Alright, you're gonna hear a bit of person in the background. Right, so now, no, don't go there already with me. I'm not Indian, huh? Now we're you're calling me Indian. I'm not happy about it.
Indian?
That. Shut up. I'm not. No. Okay. Explain how I'm Indian. Right now.
Hello, ma'am, would you...
I'm pretty white, actually. Pretty.
You're
English.
pretty white. You're white. I need proof right now.
Bro, what do you? No.
Sorry,
What do you mean you need proof?
Proof?
Okay. Okay. No, because A, my phone is dead, so I can't even show you proof. B, I'm playing Fortnite, so I definitely can't show you proof. What letter was I on?
B.
Oh, right. So C.
Hello, ma'am. What can I do for you?
No, because it's just not funny at this point. It's racism.
Yeah, kinda fuck with that.
Blood. What?
Don't call me Pla.
Pla. What?
How do you? Is it Pla?
Blah! Ah! I might be a bit off dead right now.
Are you okay?
No.
Oh my god, you do not look like what you sound like, and you do not sound like a Ryan. Are you real?
Pretty much of Ryan. Don't know if I was born that way or.
You sound like a speaks.
Pardon?
You sound like a Roman.
That's crazy.
Are you actually called Roman?
Am I actually called Ryan?
Roman.
What's a Roman? Oh, like one of those people. Yeah.
Oh fuck me, you're stupid, you Indian.
I'm not Indian. Oh.
You definitely hit women. Goodbye.
What?
I can tell.
Alright, fine, play that again. Yeah. Ah, broke a cup. Pretty sure anyway. Ah, broke a cup. Oh.
Wait, let me try something. You women here, oh my god. To try and recreate your anger. Oh my god, this Indian wife beater, the fuck? I heard the spoon in the back. What are you eating? Yeah, you're cooked.
Yeah, I'm not in the mood already, bro. Like.
Oh my god, why were you throwing around your cutlery? No, stop being dry, I'm sorry.
I'm just gonna ignore it. No. Anyway, laddies, after being insulted. No. No, I'm not in the mood. I'm not in the mood. I'm just gonna play through them. You should go right there. They got called a crash out. Me when I try be me. That guy. I didn't realise you could do that. Yeah, I'm just leaving them unopened. You see that guy? 3, 2 pop. Yep. Don't dance, bud. I don't have the ammo for this. Come in then. Yeah, boy! Get out of my face, boy. I took the and left. Should I go? Go away.
Wait, you sound like 20. Now I think about it. Am I getting groomed? Oh, snap.
Thank you. Imagine how you could be so okay now that I'm gone. Should we sing that out? People trying to sleep. 200. Yep, see this guy? Respect that. Been there, haven't we? Yep, I'm out. Trust it works. Does it? No, it doesn't. Wait, can I uncrouch?
I have not seen your face. What do you mean? Wait, am I? Oh wait, I think I've seen it, but I can't remember. You do 720.
Hang on, lad. Really think I'm falling for that one? Oh, this. Oh no, the reboots ran out. Ooh, bandage it. Ooh, bandages. Oh. 200, 200. No. Wait, what? I didn't grab. We were perfect, but another way. Am I getting groomed? Mate, I'm 14, alright? Told you my exact date of birth, birthday, I'm so dumb. Date of birth. And you had the audacity. Alright? Not in a good mood since I accidentally broke a cup. Alright? You see this guy? Not in a good mood, alright? Should have recorded today. I'm just gonna ignore them. What music do you listen to? Kill yourself. That's actually a good music genre. Rock and roll, G. Who's this geezer? Guys, rush in. Up here. Maybe I'll aim. So that's the second time. No. And I'll tell you that's the second time. Second time someone's done that one to me. Mate, how have you done to that guy down there? How much HP does he have? Be honest. Guess I'll run down here. Suppose this is what music do I listen to? I'll give them an answer. Songs. Like, gee, what? Songs. How did he die? Right, I said I was the best. And this is what happens. No? How long have I been recording for? 14 minutes. Bro, I've went up 100k twice. Twice. That's my zero build. My haunted love, haunting you. areas. Said bit of red. Pulling everyone now. Oh, let's go. Yes. Yep. Trust, my aim is going to be deleted in this one. Everyone's going to feel deleted in this one. Trust.
Get lost in the Riffs and Runs playlist, only on Spotify.
Alright, wait, hold on, we need to just do a bit of that. What's YouTube Studio? Wait, I can earn. Right, one reach requirements to apply. I've got to get 1,000. Right, well, okay, so I've got to get 1,000 subscribers. Zero public watch hour, mate. 4,000 public watch hours. And 10 million short views. Email me when I hit these requirements, please. Alright. Step 2, complete the basics. Oh, right, well, I'm silver right now. Hopefully my team are real. I'm just not absolute idiots. Because I feel bad for Vigilante not a sniper there. So if he hits me, I swear, bro. I'm not in the mood. Genuinely not in the mood for that. Bro, I was gonna be epic. Hello, but I'm pretty sure it's reload, isn't it? Someone shoots at me. Come on, keep shooting at me. It turns me up. Oh, that's not what I wanted to mean. But right, and also you're gonna check if my account follows like some more Horizon teas. Don't know what that means, what that is, but hopefully, if it doesn't end up happening, we start earning. Ah. Why is there so many? Who's this geezer? I wondered. Why am I focusing for this kind of game, bro?
You make me feel. I'm so bored. I hate being in the car. I've been in this car like since. Don't even know.
What the hell? Right. Go away! Who's got better aim? Me. I did not. I thought that was mats. I was about to say, where are the mats? What? Buddy, don't start this, mate. What is this team? Right, anyway. Don't take it. Let's go for a skull. No, I'll be fine now. Let's go! Really, man. Really? Oh yeah, that's my name, by the way. Mate, I swear down, if you take all my stuff, I'm not gonna be happy. There's nothing there. Mate.
Hmm? What did I do?
Right, anyway. Back to this game. Let me out aim some kids.
Oh my god, I'm joking. J-O-K-E. Joke. I obviously know I'm not getting groomed. And I obviously know you're not Indian. And I obviously know you don't beat women. It was funny, you were like all getting all angry and it was so cute. I'm sorry. I won't wind you up next time.
Bro, I'm zoning out so much. Looking around. I'm so done. I'm trying to boost my rank here in Zero build.
Well, I still found it kind of cute, so I won't do it again. I'm really sorry.
Come on, lads. Trust me. Blend in. Don't. Think about it. I'm not in the mood for someone doing that to my kills. Happens way too much. I say that and then instantly do it to someone. You know what I mean? This crap.
I know you don't beat women. I know you're not Indian. I know you're not 20.
Really crumbled the cookie there. Oh, who's got the most kills? No, guys, I'm almost overtaking my kills. Slow movement there, never mind. Not that funny.
Aww, that poor guy.
No, man. No, you won't get.
You just blew him off so casually. You were like, no, I'm Ryan. Poor guy. Oh my god.
Alright, I'm not gonna. Oh, bro, I'm gonna get copyrighted just for this, bro. And I'm not even popular enough, so I don't think I would. But still, always a possibility. 2024. Ah. Or whether they can get more kills than me, I don't really care.
Aww. No, I'm just Ryan.
Anyway, how are we dying? Okay, well, I died too, but still. Not really in that conversation. So much aura. I'm about to lose even more. Ah! Weave! 200. How was that gun? What the hell? Let's go. Complain. Yo, you all suck. Bum jigs, how are you dying like that? Put up a better fight. This is why you play zero build. I'm trying to do it for the fun of it, but damn. You're the worst players I have ever met. Yeah, that's what I thought. Better not have a mic, because if you ever had a Yo, the only cracker man. Take champion, FNCS, and hype cup out your name. You're not making any of those. Let's hit this guy. Duos, yeah, you're normal. Oh, he left. Yeah, so just stop playing this game overall. Thank you.
Why is your comment section just bots? Oh my god. I actually love bot comments so much. They make my day. They're the only people that make me feel wanted, ever.
That's my phone. I need to charge it. Be right. AF game away from keyboard.
There's a time that I remember when I never felt so lost, and I felt all of the hatred used
What does that mean in your bio? What does that mean in your bio? Wait, let me find it.
Hey, hey! Oh, there's so many broken glass. There's so much. Imagine I cut my finger on it. That'd be pretty funny.
Like, I've heard of it before, but like, I can't put a definition to the word.
Jam right.
No. Like, it's got different versions, right? Like Orthodox, Orthodoxy, whatever you said. Eastern Orthodoxy.
Alrighty. Zero, but I forgot. I was about to start tweaking. Why would I? Right, well, a bit of a problem that is. Not sure why. Give me a shotgun. And I say, ooh. Kill myself. Oh, I'm better. Let's not.
Got a home emergency? With British Gas Home Care, we can fix boilers, plumbing, electrics, and even kitchen appliances pronto. And now get 50% off for your first 6 months. Search British Gas
Why?
Home Care to find out more. T's and C's apply. Ends 29th of October. No claims within first 14 days. Full price after 6 months. Kitchen appliance cover separate. New customers only.
Introducing R&B UK, your ultimate playlist for smooth vibes and captivating melodies. Explore a curated collection of the hottest tracks from the UK's finest R&B artists, from silky vocals to irresistible beats.
Mate!
R&B UK delivers the essence of contemporary soul and rhythm, only on Spotify.
Right, anyway. Before that guy rudely interrupted me. Alright, never mind this. Oh, what? Forgot about that. Cheater! Mate, your teammate has just been sniped. Well,
My mum used to want to go to a Catholic school. I don't know why I'm whispering. I don't even know who I am anymore, to be honest. I used to go to church like every week, and then I just kind of stopped. What's the word where like you think something's out there? Atheist?
right, well, you should not have won that fight. But, who's done that one then? We've... Yeah, start running. Bro, it's just aim battles at that point though. Oh, let's do this then. Why, mate? See this guy swell? Why, mate? Stupid AI. Stupid AIs. I'd rather have this. Got a problem, man. I actually hate these ASMR, I was about to say. Oh my, talk about these. Bro, I have no ammo. No, what am I on about? Bro, I have nothing to like.
Oh my god, the Menendez brothers are on parole now. I'm so happy. I mean, I think we've already served a nice sentence. I forgot.
It's just so weird. I'll remember that name just.
But like, they should not have been locked.
Mate, can this song shut up now? It's
I don't
so
think-
annoying. Then I have to turn it off. Which? Oh, it's right there. Stay by Rihanna. Oh, sorry. Oh, just stay alive. Probably, yeah. Yeah, of course. Mistake. Yo, where are they? Let me. Right. Dead. Take that kill. Take this guy's life. See this guy right here, right there? I went straight up with it. What's this guy? Oh, I'm not in the mood. Hey Char, hey Char, hey Char, go kill yourself. I would smash it. Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, I know. That guys then. Yeah. Yeah. I'm accepting all friend requests. Why not? I thought my phone wasn't on charge. Right, anyway. This is gonna be it, guys. Sorry. It's too short. But on the weekends, it'll be longer. Goodbye, my doodles.